I know there's only one reason you click this video, and don't worry, I'm gonna have to give you some bullshit advice, but actually on to upload your first gaming video and be consistent. Lots of people, and perhaps even you, watch a lot of these tutorials on how to create gaming videos, how to edit, what software to use, how to do this and that, and getting all the knowledge you need from this world. But there's still one thing holding you back from excelling as an editor, a YouTuber, and creating videos that genuinely you yourself can be proud of. The unsexy truth is action. In this video, I'll break down how you can upload your first gaming video and stay consistent along the way. But you still might wonder, what is this to do with me growing as an editor? Don't I just need to edit? Most of you watching probably run your own YouTube channel, don't you? And I know one of the biggest constraints for a lot of these people is that I don't upload at all. They're too scared, they're too afraid of getting judged or don't like how they sound or how they look. But if you never upload your videos, you'll never learn, will you? But if you'd like to save some time and actually fast track your video editing skills, make sure to click the first link in the description below right now. But with that out the way, you might still wonder, why should you listen to me? Like many, I'm actually a gaming YouTuber. My name is kelvistrike and I have a YouTube channel with over 3,000 subscribers. Along the way, I built a wonderful community and I've gotten lots of feedback on people telling me how good my editing is and how they resonate with it and how unique it is from everybody else within my niche. I've genuinely edited consistently since May 2022 up to this point and had to analyze different editing styles along the way from my favorite YouTubers, which makes me stand out and has gotten me to the point where I am today, and only is growing, and which I'm very proud of. And I genuinely hope you can get to this point after watching all these sort of videos. But not only that, I've been able to have meetings and calls with high-level YouTubers who's even seen my channel and genuinely approved of its quality. But let's get straight into it. So I want to tell you my own story of how I even started uploading and getting consistent with being a YouTuber or editing my own gaming videos. Back in, I think it was 2020 March, this was, you know, when COVID hit and everybody started to have online school or whatever, Zoom, whatever people call it, right? And I remember my own friend had a YouTube channel of his own, and I always wanted to be a YouTuber. I've even created the name I had, kelvistrike, for ages, ever since I was a kid, and I always prepared myself to make sure nobody can steal my name on any other sort of other account on like social media like Facebook, Snapchat, whatever it may be. And I asked him for advice because I didn't know how to start. I always wanted to start, and I was getting so hyped because it was kind of perfect timing. We were at home during school and I had a lot of free time on me. I didn't need to worry about any travel time, come home from school or work. It was just all there in front of me, and he showed me different ways to set up OBS so I'm able to record my videos. And I've created videos in the past before that, but I'd say 2020 was the actual like real starting point. I didn't get consistent in that year, but that was, you know, the catalyst to where I am today. I took his advice. He showed me how to run OBS, upload my first Fire Red gameplay video. What went through my mind when I uploaded this first shitty video, I can even show you. This is it right here, Pokemon Fire Red episode 1, 3 years ago. You can tell that this isn't anything too special. This probably is your most average sort of Pokemon Let's Play ever. A very boring title, not a nice looking thumbnail per se, but the truth is, I didn't care. I've always wanted to be able to upload videos. I've always wanted to be able to be a YouTuber, and it's always been a dream of mine, and I'm sure it's a similar one to yours. Whether you want this as a hobby or you want this to be a full-time career, you gotta have this mindset of not caring at all and just taking action. Because now I've obviously gotten to a point where the quality is way better. I'm creating way better videos, titles, thumbnails, and just the channel's overall quality has just gone up. But would that have happened if I didn't upload that first video? No. The thing is, you need to understand that it's not going to be good at the start. I never worried about my videos being the top-notch quality. I didn't compare myself to many people. The only thing I just did was taking action. And I want to tell you something that genuinely helped me. There was very minimal editing. I didn't really understand what I was doing. But at the end of the day, I was having fun and I was enjoying posting videos that I created. And that's always going to be something unique to you. The video you post and you create is special to you because it's you who did it. Whether you have commentary, whether you have face cam, it's gonna be unique to you because there's no one like you who's uploaded before. Like, of course, there's people similar to you who has similar personalities and all this, but there's only one you in this world. And I want you to etch in this quote into your brain. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. If I didn't start back then uploading my first fire red video, I wouldn't even be here educating you on this matter. It all starts with taking action. And I want you to understand literally the cons of never doing this. This just doesn't go to improve your video editing. This is basically a universal advice that goes for anything. Whether you want to go up and approach that girl, or whether you want to go up and land that job offer, speak up on things you don't appreciate and don't like, but none of it will happen if you don't take action. You'll probably end up living in a life that you yourself don't even like, and always being hesitant and not really doing what you truly want to do, which in this case would be uploading your videos. And I know you watch this, want to improve, you want to be able to make better videos, you want to look back and see videos you created yourself and be so proud of the thing, wow, I really was able to do that. But you gotta understand, none of this is ever going to happen if you keep sitting back and never do anything about it. And if this doesn't piss you off already, like, genuinely listen up right now, okay? I'm not trying to swear, but listen right now. There's someone out there doing exactly what you want to do. Uploading the videos, creating the videos, building that fan base, getting the subscribers. But why can't that also be you? People often talk about motivation, that I don't have the motivation to do this. I don't have the motivation to sit down and edit this long video. But the truth is that motivation isn't something you're supposed to rely on. It's only supposed to be a boost. Like, you need to stop thinking of this perfect time to start everything, to make that video, make that channel, edit that video. You just need to start, because taking action will excel you in all the areas. Listen, we could have two people who watch these type of videos. One that watches only for like a week, okay, and never takes action, never implements anything. And then we have the guy that watches the video and implements what he learned in that video immediately right after he's seen it. Who do you think is gonna get better progress? Let's you know, be real here. Like, who do you genuinely think is gonna get better progress? The guy has accumulated more information throughout the week, or the guy who got information but took action straight after? Well, of course, the guy that took action, right? So stop waiting for this perfect moment, because it doesn't exist at all. Sure, I know a lot of people during COVID actually benefited from it because everybody was home and they uploaded videos, but you can even see that back then I wasn't even consistent. I wasn't even capitalizing on that fact. I just started anyway, and now I'm still being able to build up my channel and create better videos because I didn't wait for the perfect time. I just did it. And that's me excluding all the videos I made in the past as well, which I deleted because I was a dumbass. But you gotta understand that you gotta be able to do things that nobody else does. And when you do that, you're going to get way different results. I'm an extreme guy, and I know I am, because I'm running two channels at the same time. One where I'm teaching you how to make videos, and one where I'm entertaining people, where I make videos and stream as well. It's a lot of work, and it could be hard to deal with, especially when we got things like work, school, family, friends, relationships. But I'm just doing what nobody else is willing to do, which is gonna set me ahead of most people I know. I know it may be daunting and hard, and you often want to compare yourself to where other people are, and you ask yourself, oh, how do I edit like this guy? That looks so sick. How do I do this? But it all comes down to you taking action and learning along the way. My goal with this channel is to genuinely teach people how to make gaming videos, because I wish my favorite YouTuber, you know, high caliber, so I'm talking Corey Kinshin, PewDiePie, Markiplier, made something like this where they just taught people how to make better videos so they become a more successful YouTuber, because that's just a high level that you want to know what they did. You want to know the thought process, you want to know sort of editing tricks they did, what mindset they had. And with this channel, I hope I can genuinely give you that advice, because I've seen no other YouTuber within our niche do something like this before. I know a lot of them scale up and stop editing their videos and hire editors, but I want to be the first high level gaming YouTuber in our niche, okay, that teaches gamers just like you and me on how to create better videos. I really hope this video has finally taught you the importance of becoming an action taker. But I won't lie to you, if this video didn't help you at all and you didn't even upload your first edited video right after this, then I failed. Like, you might as well leave a dislike and fucking unsubscribe or some shit, right? I usually don't say this on the channel, but if this did actually help, then make sure to leave a comment below, because I'd like to know your actual insights. But the fact that you're still here in this video probably shows that you really want to improve your video editing. So just click the first link in the description below right now to be able to fast track your progress. And I promise you, just stay consistent and it'll all be okay. Because at the end of the day, action speaks louder than words. Let's keep improving.